Welcome to the roof of the world. Mount Everest isn't just the ultimate challenge for mountaineers, it holds some chilling secrets. Above 8,000 meters, you enter the death zone, where the oxygen is so scarce, every breath is a fight for survival. Everest faces severe overcrowding. This not only makes the ascent dangerous, but has led to deadly traffic jams on the world's highest peak. Below the summit lies the Rainbow Valley, named for the colorful gear of those who perished, serving as a stark reminder of the mountain's perils. Hundreds of bodies are buried in Everest ice and snow, forever preserved in the freezing temperatures, haunting the paths of future climbers. Everest's native name, Chomolungma, reflects its respect among locals, yet its savage beauty claims lives every year despite modern technology. Sherpa Superhumans. The Sherpas, an ethnic group native to the mountain regions of Nepal, are renowned for their incredible ability to endure high altitudes. Many Sherpas have summited Everest multiple times, and their skills and knowledge are indispensable to many expeditions. The legendary Sherpa Tenzing Norgay was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Everest, alongside Sir Edmund Hillary in 1953. Everest's growing height. Earth's tectonic movements are continually pushing Everest's height upwards. The mountain grows approximately 4 m every year due to the tectonic plates' movements. Following the 2015 earthquake in Nepal, Everest's height was officially recalibrated and has since been recognized to be slightly taller. Jet stream winds. The summit of Mount Everest pokes into the jet stream, which can bring extremely high winds and sudden, drastic changes in weather. Winds over 200 mph 3020 kmh are not uncommon, and temperatures can drop below 60 degrees Celsius 76 degrees Fahrenheit, adding to the extreme challenges faced by climbers. The Hillary Step. Before it was altered by a 2015 earthquake, the Hillary Step was a nearly vertical rock face of about 12 meters and the last great challenge before reaching the summit. It was a notorious bottleneck spot, causing dangerous delays. The step's current state has made the final ascent somewhat less difficult, but has also altered a historic segment of the climb. The high-altitude graveyard. Mount Everest has claimed over 300 lives since people began attempting to summit it. The mountain's harsh conditions mean that recovering bodies is a dangerous and difficult task. As such, many of those who died remain on the mountain, making Everest not only the world's highest peak, but also its highest graveyard. These facts highlight the beauty, the challenges, and the awe-inspiring nature of Mount Everest, making it a subject of endless fascination and respect. For more breathtaking and bone-chilling tales from the highest peaks to the deepest seas, like, subscribe, and join us on this thrilling adventure.